Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Israel YK Lubogo. Dear fellow seekers of knowledge, as we embark on our academic journey, it's important to recognize the challenges that lie ahead, particularly in subjects like mathematics, chemistry, and physics. These subjects often demand rigorous study habits, critical thinking skills, and perseverance. However, with dedication, support, and the right strategies, we can overcome these challenges and achieve success. First and foremost, let's acknowledge the power of self-help. Each of us has the ability to take ownership of our learning journey and make proactive choices that will lead to academic excellency. This means setting clear goals, managing our time effectively, and adopting study habits that promote deep understanding and mastery of the material. Here are some strategies we can implement to help ourselves succeed. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to start with set clear goals. Define specific, achievable goals. Specific achievable goals for your academic performance in math, chemistry, and physics. Whether it's earning a certain grade, mastering a challenging concept, or improving problem-solving skills, having clear set objectives will help you focus and stay motivated. Number 2, develop effective study habits. Experiment with different study techniques to find what works best for you. This may include reviewing lecture notes, practicing problems regularly, creating concept maps or summaries, teaching the material to others, or even using mnemonic devices to aid memory retention. Number 3, seek understanding. Not just memorization. Instead of rote memorization, strive to understand the underlying principles and concepts in math, chemistry, and physics. Focus on the way and how behind formulas and even equations, rather than simply memorizing them. This deeper understanding will not only help you solve problems more effectively, but also retain the information in the long term. Number 4, practice, practice, practice. Consistent practice is key to mastering these subjects. Set aside dedicated time each day to work on problems, review concepts, and reinforce learning. Practice problems from textbooks, online resources, and past exams to build fluency and confidence in your abilities. Number 5, stay organized and manage time effectively. Keep track of assignments, deadlines, and study sessions using a planner or digital calendar. Break larger tasks into smaller, manageable chunks, and prioritize your time based on the importance and the urgency of each task. With self-help, which is essential, let us also remember the power of collaboration and support from others. By forming study groups, seeking help from teachers or tutors, and offering assistance to classmates in need, we can create supportive learning communities where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Ladies and gentlemen, together, let's commit to helping ourselves and each other succeed in math, chemistry, and physics. With determination, perseverance, and a spirit of collaboration, I believe there is no limit to what we can achieve. Excelling in subjects like physics and even chemistry requires a combination of understanding the fundamental concepts, developing problem-solving skills, and adopting effective study habits. Ladies and gentlemen, let's break down how one can excel in mathematics, chemistry, and physics. Starting with physics. One can, for example, grasp the conceptual understanding. Physics is a subject that involves understanding the fundamental principles of the governing behavior of the physical world. Focus on understanding concepts such as mechanics, electricity, and even magnetism, thermodynamics, and largely optics. An example can be understanding Newton's laws of motion, which is essential for problem solving, problems that are related to motion and forces. Develop problem-solving skills. Physics often involves problems, and these problems require critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Practice solving a variety of problems, ranging from simple to complex, to hone your analytical skills. An example: solve problems involving projectile motion, circuits, or thermodynamic processes to develop problem-solving skills. Utilize resources. Take advantage of textbooks, online resources, simulations, and laboratory experiments to deepen your understanding of physics concepts. An example: conduct experiments to verify physical laws. Use simulations to visualize complex phenomena and refer to online tutorials for additional explanations. Apply mathematics. Mathematics is a language of physics. Develop proficiency in mathematical techniques such as calculus, algebra, trigonometry to solve physical problems effectively. An example can be, you can use calculus to derive equations of motion, apply algebraic techniques to solve equations of equilibrium, and utilize trigonometry to analyze wave phenomena. The second subject of today's discussion is chemistry. Understand fundamental concepts. Chemistry involves understanding the structure, composition, and behavior of matter. Focus on concepts such as atomic structure, chemical bonding, and even thermodynamics. An example: understanding the periodic table and trends in atomic properties is very essential for predicting chemical behavior. Practice problem solving. Chemistry problems often involve applying theoretical concepts to real-world situations. Practice solving chemical equations and even equilibrium calculations. This will help you to reinforce learning. An example: balance chemical equations, calculate reaction yields, and determine equilibrium concentrations to develop problem-solving skills. Visualize molecular structures. Use molecular models, diagrams, and simulations to visualize the three-dimensional structure of molecules and even understanding molecular interactions. And an example can be, use molecular modeling software to visualize the structure of complex molecules such as proteins or organic compounds. conduct laboratory experiments. Laboratory experiments provide hands-on experience and reinforce theoretical concepts learned in class. Pay attention to experimental procedures, data analysis, as well as safety protocols. An example, conduct experiments to determine the rate of chemical reactions, identify unknown substances, or analyze the properties of given solutions. In summary, ladies and gentlemen, excelling in mathematics, physics, and chemistry requires a combination of understanding concepts, practicing problem-solving skills, utilizing resources effectively, and seeking help when needed. By adopting a systematic approach to learning and applying these principles consistently, students can excel in these challenging subjects and develop a deeper appreciation for the beauty of science and mathematics. Thank you for listening to me. I remain Israel YK Lubogo. I shall take my leave.